Number 6. On July 29, 2016, at around 5 a.m., Dashcam footage captured a truck traveling through France toward the UK border. As it continued down the road, another truck ahead suddenly stopped. Moments later, multiple men carrying lights appeared, throwing rocks and tree branches in an attempt to force the trucks to stop. It was fortunate the driver didn't stop, as the situation had the potential to become dangerous. The men attempting to halt the vehicles appeared to be trying to cross into the UK illegally. In some cases, people use risky tactics to force vehicles to slow down, including placing objects on the road or stepping into traffic. Incidents like this have been reported before and captured on dashcam footage. The next clip shows another example, this time involving a larger group attempting the same approach. Most of these incidents occur between midnight and 6 a.m., and police are working hard to prevent this. Number 5. The truck was parked on the side of the road when a man in a silver car pulled up in front of it. He got out, walked to the truck, opened the door, and began searching inside. The driver didn't realize what was happening at first because he was outside the vehicle. But once he noticed, he chased the man away. By then, the man had grabbed a black bag and ran back to his car before trying to flee the scene. For some reason, the man entered the passenger side of the car, then drove off. Moments later, he unexpectedly stopped and threw the bag out before leaving the area. The man was never identified. Number 4. On September 6, 2018, another truck's dash cam footage captured a truck stuck on a railroad crossing in Virginia. The warning lights and crossing alarms were active as people jumped out of the truck just seconds before a train collided with it. A witness who saw the crash checked to make sure no one was still inside the truck and that everyone had escaped safely.
Nobody was in that truck, were they? You're all out, okay.
Thankfully, everyone managed to get out in time. Apparently, incidents like this are fairly common at that exact spot due to the way the road is shaped. There are multiple warning signs in place, but they often seem to be ignored. Number 3. On April 15th, 2020, in Jay, Maine, a massive explosion at a paper mill was captured on a trucker's dash cam. The footage shows thick smoke and debris filling the sky and covering the ground.
There's an explosion in the mill. The mill just blew up. Holy! The saddle there, she blew the stack and everything's gone there. Blew the whole bunch. Holy. Coming down to the head for the horrible. Oh, I don't know. Where to go here? Yeah, man, I'm gonna get out of the way here.
The truckers were on their way to deliver wood to the mill, but fortunately didn't arrive in time. Their trucks were still covered in debris from the explosion.
Oh! Yeah, they got metal flying through the air there. They're going everywhere. No! Nobody was around it when it went off. Yeah, give me the big goal, always. Yeah, we had an empty truck just went around the sidewalk. Right around the wood room.
Thankfully, no one inside or outside the mill was injured in the explosion. It was later determined to have been caused by a rupture in a pressure vessel, the part of the system used to cook the wood. Number 2. During the 2015 Pinery bushfire in Australia, footage shows firefighters driving directly into the flames.
Here it comes, the head's coming. Nick, slow down. You scared of it? It's got to get you We're going to go in a burn over very, very quickly. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Get the fuck in. Burn over, Scotty, burn over. Burn over, Scotty. Jesus Christ! Shut up! Just broadcast if any units are out. I've activated motor.
In the footage, one of the firefighters can be heard saying they are heading into a controlled burn-off area.
We're going to go in a burn over very, very quickly. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Burn-off mode involves firefighters covering the truck's windows with thermal protection sheets and remaining inside as the fire passes over them. One of the drivers panicked and accidentally backed into another truck as the flames passed over them. But fortunately, no one was injured. Number 1. In February 2015, a pair of truckers were driving along the highway when a white car suddenly pulled in front of them and slowed down, forcing the truck to stop. At first, they thought the driver might be trying to warn them about something, so they pulled over. However, the man never got out or said anything. Instead, he sat in his car, staring at them through the windshield while blocking oncoming traffic. Feeling uneasy, the truckers tried to drive away, but the man continued to block their path.
Does he think you cut him off or something? DC. What's his tag? I can't see his tag.
They reversed to get around him and tried to record his license plate, but couldn't get a clear view. The man then backed up alongside them and continued staring, so they tried to get away. After driving off, the man chased them and rammed the back of their truck, apparently trying to run them off the road. After they managed to lose him, they contacted police. Officers later located the man farther down the highway and arrested him before he could cause further harm. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, our first one of the year. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.